What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you that what are those symbol means on the top of your split air conditioning remote controller screen. So the first symbol you see is for auto mode, and the system automatically choose between heating and cooling if you leave to this symbol, right? And let's go to the other symbol. So this symbol is snowflake. This means cool mode. Your AC is cooling the room. All right. Now let's go to the other symbol. This one. This is a sun mode. This is a heat mode. It warms up your room. Now this one, water droplet. That's a dry mode used to remove humidity in your room. All right, now let's go to the other symbol. And this one is fan symbol. This is a fan only mode, no heating and no cooling. Okay, let's see if there is. So these are the symbols you have on your remote controller of your split air conditioning. So as you can see, this is an on and off button. And so when you go on to, so I'll show you. When I turn it on, that's my split air conditioning over there. So I turned it on, and as you can see, the hood of the air conditioning is open. And so let's say I go on to the heat mode, right? Sun mode, which heats up the room. So these are the temperature settings. You can increase the temperature by pressing the up arrow key and decrease the temperature by pressing the down arrow key. And this is the fan speed. So if you will press this, the fan speed will keep going up and up and up. And after maximum speed, it will go down. All right, the last one, high and echo. So what does this do? Let me tell you. So high mean maximum performance. The AC runs at full power. Cools or heat the room much faster than normal. Best for very hot or very cold room when you want quick results. So when you press high, these are the different symbols coming up, as you can see. So I think this is a high mode and this is a echo mode. So what does echo mode does? Echo mode is energy saving mode, means energy saving operation. The AC reduce power usage while keeping the room comfortable, slightly adjust temperature and fan speed automatically. Best for saving electricity and running the AC for a longer period of time. Okay, so in simple way to remind that high is fast and powerful, more electricity required, like it takes more electricity, and echo mode is slower but saves power. All right guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.